ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನನ್ನ 2 ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Everyone, I am Vimal from Sri Vyasamaharshi Vidyapita, Kilpadi, Mulki. Okay, you know what is this? Yes, dustbin. So I find some cloth pieces here which I can use for my craft. Right? Convert it into decorative items for your home. This is the design I have today. So let us do this design using the pieces of cloth. Draw a rough for the reference. This is the 4x4 square boxes I have drawn here so that we get the shape of the chocolate. We will cut the cloth into square pieces so that it is easy to stitch. So let us start now. For this box we need 1 red and 1 cream. So we will join it like this. We will stitch these pieces. So this is the piece we can join over here. Similarly we will do it for the other boxes also. We will join all these boxes together to get this simple chocolate design. You can also prepare other mini designs of your own by creating the sketch like this.